Fox News, why do they have these here? I don't think these numbers are correct. I think someone's joking us around and they need to be more honest. Fox News needs to get their butt kicked. But they're not gonna. Too many people are gullible for their crap. Anyhow, here goes.
Being here.
Good to be with you. You bet.
All right, so do you agree with that decision? I mean, we kind of all remember the image last week of you showing up for the stimulus vote, no mask, made a few headlines for that. So do you think that the threat was still enough to keep members of Congress from returning to Washington?
Sandra, states are reopening. Why won't Congress? I mean, look, farmers are planting crops, truckers are moving goods, grocers are stocking shelves, and frontline healthcare workers have never stopped work. They've been working every single day throughout this crisis. But somehow the U.S. Congress can't come back to work. I mean, we got task force meeting in the White House. I'm on one of these task force meeting all over the country. But the task force that's supposed to meet and deal with big issues that confront our nation is the United States Congress. So let's get back in session. And in fact, we did that last week. I testified in the hearing you're describing. So we can do it. I don't know why we're not back doing the work of the American people. It seems like that's exactly where we should be. But unfortunately, Nancy Pelosi won't call us back.
Nancy Pelosi is anti-American. I love to see the day when she is booted out of office. If that ever happens, I'm going to throw a party. Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. These guys need to be limited on their terms, and they need to be working and doing real business and not just playing politics. Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. That's my opinion. I'm sticking to it. Good day.